make money by investing in Jamaica?
Right now we have a lot of people thinking about the Airbnb aspect of stuff.
Area for you as real estate investors to pay attention to. Last year, 2022, Jamaica brought in $4.2 billion from tourism. Why is this number significant? It is the most money this island has ever generated from tourism.
So there are two ways in which Senior Real Finance actually makes money. One, of course, when we invest equity, is by exiting the equity positions at unlocking value. And I do have a couple examples that I will walk through very shortly so you get a bit more color.
Should I get in? Should I get in? Should I go on vacation? Should I go to this fancy restaurant tonight? That's depressing.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I lived that life for the majority of my life, and I want no parts of it. So, I don't know about y'all.
I was actually a taxi driver. And when I bought it was a $100 million. We did a valuation recently. It's now valued at $1.3